Hi, I'm Emily and this is the story of my first day at a courier office. Yes, I started working in a courier company. It was my first job ever. I felt excited, but also nervous. I woke up early that day. I wore my best clothes and checked my bag again and again. My heart was beating fast. Many thoughts were in my head. Will I do well? What if I make a mistake? When I reached the office, it was full of people and sounds. Phones were ringing. Workers were sorting parcels. And delivery vans were coming and going. It looked busy but also exciting. A kind lady at the front desk welcomed me and guided me to the HR room. I filled some forms and received my ID card. It had my name and photo. I smiled. I was now part of the team. Then I met my manager, Mr. Mike. He looked serious but talked nicely. He explained my tasks step by step. I had to sort parcels, check addresses, update records, and book new parcels. When customers came in, soon people started coming to the counter. Some had small parcels. Some had big boxes. I greeted them, took the details, weighed the items, and entered the info into the system. I booked their parcels with care, even if my hands were a little shaky in the beginning. Around noon, a lady customer came in. She looked a little upset. She said she didn't receive her parcel, and no one was helping her. I listened carefully and asked her for the tracking number. She showed me a screenshot on her phone. I checked the tracking system. I found the parcel was marked as delivered, but not to her name. I stayed calm and asked her to wait for a moment. I went to the back office and checked the delivery slip. I found out it was delivered to the wrong flat in the same building. I came back and explained the mistake clearly. The parcel was delivered to the wrong flat in your building, I said. Don't worry, ma'am. We'll collect it from there and deliver it to you shortly. The lady thanked me for taking it seriously. She said, you helped me more in 5 minutes than others did in 2 days. That made me feel proud. I did not cause the mistake, but I fixed it. I was happy. I could solve a problem on my first day. In the evening, just before leaving, Mr. Mike called me into his room. I felt nervous again, but he smiled and said, Emily, good job today. You stayed calm and handled things well. I smiled and said thank you. I walked out feeling proud and strong. That night I reached home tired but happy. My first day had ups and downs, but it ended on a good note. And I knew I was ready for day 2.